Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by making a copy of your original audio and keeping a lossless backup. This protects the source. Next, reduce the sample rate to 8,000 or 11,025 Hz to remove high-frequency detail. This is where human brightness lives. Then change bit depth down to 8-bit or low 16-bit. This introduces quantization noise. Once done, you'll already hear a rougher, telephone-like texture. Make sure to document the original settings so you can repeat or reverse steps later. You now shape the character using filters and artifacts. Apply a high pass around 200 Hz and a low pass near 4K Hz to mimic narrowband channels. Then add mild compression to squash dynamics, which emphasizes noise and grit. Reduce exported bitrate to 3264 kbps or use low-quality MP3/AAC presets. This creates compression artifacts. Finally, deliberately add aliasing or light distortion and narrowband notch filters to produce ringing. You finish by exporting to a low bitrate lossy format like MP3 or AAC at 32 kbps. This locks in compression artifacts. Once exported, listen on phone, laptop, and cheap earbuds to confirm the effect. Different devices reveal different flaws. If you notice harsh clipping or unintended distortion, reduce the master gain and re-export, or apply a gentle denoise and reintroduce a little bit of low sample rate. This preserves the aesthetic while fixing extremes. If problems persist, revert to the backup and adjust parameters.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.